Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Excel is installed and signed in. This gives you autosave and cloud access. Tap the Excel icon, then pick a template or a blank workbook so you can begin immediately. Once done, set orientation and enable OneDrive or iCloud so versions stay synced. This prevents lost work. Make sure your touch and keyboard preferences are set. You'll switch between on-screen touch and an external keyboard depending on the task. You'll enter data directly by tapping a cell, then typing or handwriting with Apple Pencil if supported. This is faster for short lists. Once your data is in, format cells, set currency, date, or percent so numbers behave correctly. Use the ribbon to apply styles and borders to improve readability. For calculations, type formulas like equals sum A1, A10, or equals average B1, B5. Then drag the fill handle to copy formulas. This saves time and prevents You'll finalize by reviewing formulas and using filter or sort to validate results, and freeze panes to keep headers visible while scrolling. When ready, share a link, invite collaborators, or export to PDF for print-ready output. Make sure autosave is enabled before closing. If something goes wrong, sync issues, missing updates, force a sync, sign out and back in, or reopen the workbook. Often that resolves conflicts. And if a formula shows an error, trace precedents to find the bad reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.